Hey everyone, it's Brandon at Crorzar. Wanted to give you a detailed walkthrough on how to set up the Crorzar 360 cameras. They all operate on the same setup process, so whether you have this one, our outdoor, or any other cameras, this will be the same process for you. Now, the number one troubleshooting step that we run into, most routers broadcast two different kinds of Wi-Fi network. One is a 2.4 gigahertz and one is a 5. These cameras and most other smart devices do need a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network to operate properly. The 2.4s get much better range for those of you that are interested in that. So make sure that both your camera is being connected and the phone or the tablet that you're using to connect with is also on the 2.4 gigahertz network. Now, as far as actually getting the camera set up, the process is super simple. So what you'll do is you'll come to the camera and you'll find the reset button, and you're going to hold that down for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll hold that down until you actually hear a voice prompt telling you that the camera is being restored to factory settings.
Restore factory settings. Please don't power off. System starting up.
You're going to hear a couple of prompts from the camera.
Configured.
As soon as you hear the wait to be configured prompt, that's your cue that you're good to go ahead and begin the setup process. You'll come over to your phone. You'll hit the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner to add a new device. Then you'll click Set Up Using Wi-Fi. Now again, you're going to want to make sure that you're connecting to your 2.4 gigahertz network. You'll hit Next Step to enter your router's network name and Wi-Fi password. And once you hit Confirm, you'll get a screen that looks a little bit like a radar. You'll push the QR code button at the top to generate the QR code. And then all you do is you take that QR code and you hold it in front of that camera lens. 4 to 6 inches away is the ideal distance. Sometimes you may need to push it back and forth just a little bit, but you'll hold that there. And one pro tip, you're going to hear 2 different voice prompts. One of them is going to tell you that it's connecting and to please wait. Hold the QR code in front of the camera lens all the way until you hear that second voice prompt
Please wait.
telling you that it's successfully connected to your network.
Connect to router successfully.
As soon as you hear that Connect to Router Successfully prompt, that's your cue that it's done. You can set the camera down, and now all you need to do is go ahead and put in a password and name the camera, and you'll be good to go. And there it is.